Kuringana na atongoria KIAMA-INI kia ARIGITANI gia KMPDU, mwandiki munene KIAMA-INI giki DAVJI ATELLAH aguraririo hindi ya mururungano wa THAYU uria gutabanagio mathaa ma miaraho. Mururungano uyu ugutwarithagio na mbere niguo guthingata thirikari kuhitukira ministry ya ugima wa mwiri kuhingia kiraniro gia kwandikwo wira kwa arigitani aria matari maheo mawira ona thengia wao gukorwo magitwarithia mihango ya urigitani mathibitari-ini.
We are a law abiding union and we are law abiding people. Every single picket we have done, we have always given the police timely notices, and anytime they feel like it's not right to go ahead, we normally agree on them on the best day to go about it. And this notice and this picket was not any different. We gave our notice, they received, and thank God in our office we have our copy that was stamped.
Hindi ya mururungano ucio arigitani angi 25 ni magurarire kumana na muhihinyano, atongoria makiuga matire marataukirwo gitumi kia maabitha a borithi kumatharikira kuona megutabanagia mururungano wa THAYU.
It's a lot of pain in our heart that we sadly report that the SG was hit in the head and he collapsed. The only thing we know how to fight is to fight diseases, not fight fellow Kenyans.
Ona gukiri uguo arigitani aya maugite matigwitikira kuguoyohio ona kana gucoka na thutha hari gutetera ihoto ciao, riu makienda uthuthuria mukinyaniru wigie tharikire yo ukorwo ugitabanio.
All these young people are asking for is to be given a chance to serve Kenyans. You cannot tell them when they graduate that they have to do a compulsory 1-year internship for them to get licensing. They can't work without that licensing.
Arigitani aya ona gukiri uguo ni marutite mukana wa kuigamira thi kiumia turorete thiini wa thibitari ciothe cia muingi na cia andu kiumbe guothe bururi-ini nginyagia riria mateta mao marithikiririo.
If they wanted to disperse as they could have used a tear gas if the crowd hit on the ground, they didn't have to aim at somebody's head, least of all the SG of the union.
Hadu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.